Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Riot Client is still running, we could not uninstall. To start, we will open Settings from the Start menu. There, we will go to Apps, and then you will go to Installed Apps. There, click on the three dots in Riot Client and click on Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again. Click Yes to authorize. You can see the error that is generated. Now in the taskbar, right-click on the Riot icon and select the option Exit. After that, access the Task Manager and validate that there is no active Riot process. After validating this, again in Settings, click on the three Valorant dots, select Uninstall and confirm the process. You can see that this time the process is successful, and remember that Valorant is linked to Riot. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.